Somebody looks ready. Sorry, doggies, you gotta stay today. All right, everything has actually fallen through today. Everything. Waiting for parts for this guy, waiting for parts for that truck. Well, actually this whole week, everything has fallen through. But we're about to jump in this truck because we might be adding another vehicle. It is one that will go awesome with the original power choke, the 72 F250 that we've converted to 6.0 power stroke and 4-wheel drive. That's still waiting a custom steering column. Hey, sweetie, you ready? Huh?
I need my car seat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, where is it? Yeah, my garage, I've said for the past like 3 weeks. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice little new addition. Thank you, Sears, for going out of business to where I got that like half off. I love it. I'll take it. All right, but we will jump over to the possible new vehicle. I've already talked to the guy. He said the GoPro is good to go. I think you all are gonna love this thing. There's the little one, she's hiding. She says it's getting too cold for her. Here we go. What year is it again? 79. Which my first truck was a 78. It was a Ranger long bed. Interior's good, just have to replace the dash on it, but here, he's already got her up and running. We let her sit here and idle for just a minute, but sounds really good. Here, let's actually put you over here where it's at. There we go, that's a little bit better. It's loud? Make sure it's loud. Did you not just hear it? I mean, that was a little rev, but I mean, it was something. Axle dump exhaust. What are the American racing wheels? Has just a couple little spots on it right there, and right here is the other little spot that needs a little work. It's in a lot better shape than the 72 was whenever I got it though. Already converted to the little mirrors. And he was just saying, which I fully agree, probably used to have the handles here and that's where they shaped it down there. Little work up there. There we go, there's the heart of the beast. Let's just take a look underneath real quick. Oh, I haven't actually looked underneath. Oil pan's got a couple little drippers in her. There we go. Just mainly service rust, but I already have the nice seat. I mean, that's stellar right there. Just need the pad right there. Same dash that we used to have in the old 78. Brake looks pretty solid, just dirty, that's all that looks like. You know, just your typical surface. Bed's in good shape. Tailgate's right there, and there we go. Good shape roll pan for the back bumper. What are you guys thinking? I kind of like it, but might have to say goodbye to this little guy if we do it. I'm not sure yet.
say?
The manual on the column is a little different than I'm used to, that's for sure. Huh? All right, so here we go. We drove the bad boy over there, but he let me know that he's hiding secrets in his garage over here. So if it ever lets you know if you're buying a vehicle from the right person, he's built these ones, so I feel like it'd be a very trustworthy vehicle if this was sitting in your garage. What year? 57. The famous 57. My neighbor will drive over this. He has a 57, but it's nowhere near this condition. Right. The one that I told you lives across the street. Right. He's got one of these in the basement, but it's the black one.
That's awesome.
And the Camaro?
69.
Same wheels.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, on the truck, yep.
They look better on cars.
Oh, yeah. Man, I'm kind of jealous of the whole setup here. Something I said was pretty good at my house. I'm slacking compared to you, it looks like.
Love old cars.
Can we double check the all original over there?
Oh, yeah.
What year's this one?
61, bubble top.
61 bubble top, all original except for the air ride they threw on it.
Finger skirts and all.
Every bit of it. Yeah.
So let's swap on the truck.
Then, yep, we had to take the wiring harness, I'm guessing that was the wire harness, out of the back of the F100. And let's swap in this bad boy. And you said you got a dealership? I'm gonna have to figure out where this dealership is so I can come find them already done. Oh, it's in Kingsport?
Yeah, not far.
Man, that's really nice and close to me. Almost the same wheels. Man. All right, well, let's go ahead and jump. Yep, that shows the car care right there. Just seen a smudge and had to get it. We'll jump back over to the house real quick to end this video. Back at the house, the good old power choke over here made another nice little road trip. Once again, sorry, parts still coming in, and actually still parts coming in on this truck. And I still have parts that was supposed to show up Friday at TSI for the 1972, that custom steering column that I've been talking about. But I showed up a little bit, well, I showed up at 4 o'clock. UPS hadn't ran yet and everything. And the family and I, we wanted to go out for Friday night, so I didn't just stick around and, you know, sit there for 2 hours waiting to see if UPS showed up. That in which they closed at 6, so it wouldn't have benefited me at all anyways. They would have said, hey, yeah, hey, Bart's here, but yeah, we're closing. We'll see you guys later, next week. But anyways, what do you all think about that F100? I really, really did like it, but also I still really, really like this. And my wife has put a little bit of boundaries on me, not much. She's let me get away with more than most women ever let their husbands get away with. But she said I can only have two project trucks at a time, and that's only so that while one's getting worked on, I can have the other one here running and driving and all that. That's kind of what this one is right now. That's why we haven't really done anything to it, because I'm waiting on the 72 to come back so I can drive it while that one gets worked on, or while we do some work to it. So there is a thing. If I were to go get the F100, I would have to sell this guy and say goodbye. I really do like this truck, runs solid and everything. It still does have the one leak, but that's the part I'm waiting on. That'll get rid of the leak to where it is a leak-free 7.3. But anyways, tell me what you all think. You know, hypothetically, if this thing was for sale, you can hit us up on Instagram and send me a message saying if you do want this truck, but I'm in no hurry because it will be converted to four-wheel drive in 2 weekends from now, so 2 weeks. But the F100 was pretty sweet. I really did like it. The 3-speed on the tree did throw me off really bad. It kind of actually whooped my butt, to be perfectly honest. But anyways, guys, tell me what you think down in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Stop by for the first time. Please subscribe. You all have a great day.